Hello and welcome. You're watching HCN News Bulletin. I'm Conrad Souza. Now let's take a look at the top stories. Parents of students who had appeared for the 12th standard examination across Goa has demanded Goa board to be lenient with the correction of 12th standard maths paper as they allege that paper was too lengthy and difficulty level was high. Mapsa Municipal Council issued notices to 8 buildings which are in bad condition after carrying out the survey. PI of Panjim Police passed an order requesting headmistress of Royal High School Maria Zita Afonso not to visit school premises for any office work. Now the news in detail. Parents of students who had appeared for the 12th standard examination across Goa have demanded that the Goa board be lenient with the correction of the 12th standard maths paper as they allege that the paper was too lengthy and was also not according to the guidelines of Goa board in maintaining the difficulty level of the paper. Parents of the students who had appeared for the 12th standard examination across Goa have formed a memorandum demanding that the Goa Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education should be lenient in the correction of the maths paper. They have also demanded that extra marks should be given to weak students to clear the paper since the paper was of high difficulty level.
What we demanded is to be little lenient in assessment. आम्ही मेमोरेंडम जो दिला पळय ताचेर आम्ही क्लियरली मेन्शन केला की यू प्लीज आस्क द टीचर्स हू आर गोइंग फॉर असेसमेंट टू बी lenient because the paper was too lengthy where the students could not complete the even 6 questions in given 2.5 hours. So if the student was given half an hour, they could have easily completed all 8 questions. So they are missing 20 marks straight questions. Some are missing even 30 marks question. So we have in our memorandum we have requested the board to look into the matter very sympathetically and give them a grace mark of 25 to 30. This is what we demanded. Of course, just because we demanded, they will just not like that. They will give. They will put this before the committee. They have their own committee who will go through the question paper and the difficulty level which is there. And if they found, then they said definitely in the interest of the student, they will do something so that no student will suffer.
Alfred Fernandez for HCN. The PI of Panjim Police has passed an order requesting the headmistress of Royal High School, Maria Zita Afonso, not to visit the school premises for any office work. The order has been passed in view of the complaint filed by one of the PTA members against the headmistress for harassment of students. PTA of the school has also demanded the suspension of the headmistress from the school. Speaking to HCN, PTA member Geeta Bosa said that the school was made government aided from 2009 for standard 5th to 10th. She also alleged that it was made government aided without informing the parents, due to whom the parents were paying readmission fees, which is not applicable for government aided schools.
आमचे स्कूल एडेड जाले फ्रॉम 2009 पण आमकां पेरंट्सांक हेचो मात सुद्दां भडक लागून दिवना तेणें आनी आतां आमकां कळ्ळां की गेल्या वर्सासून की आमचें स्कूल एडेड जालां म्हणून पण सपोज द स्कूल इज एडेड फ्रॉम 5th स्टँडर्ड टू द 10th स्टँडर्ड देन एड्युकेशन इज फ्री बट शी इज टेकिंग 5th स्टँडर्ड फी डोनेशन नॉट अ डोनेशन रीएडमिशन फीज 5,000, 6,000 or 8,000. So हाचेरूय आमी कंप्लेन दिल्ली आसा एड्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटाक एज वेल एज इन द पोलीस स्टेशन ऑल्सो की आमकां ती अशें फ्री एड्युकेशनाचेर आमचे अशें हे घेता म्हणून 5,000, 8,000 पयशे घेता आनी अश्यो आमी फीजच्यो रिसिप्टां कलेक्ट केल्ली आसा ह्या वर्साची मेजॉरिटी होल क्लासान तरी आमकां रिएडमिशन ऑलरेडी जाल्लें आसा.
कितल्याचो आसतलो अमाउंट दिसता तुमकां हे फूल वर्सा
जवळ जवळ आमचे एका क्लासीन मोर दॅन 35 स्टुडंट्स आसा म्हणजे ऑलमोस्ट सगळ्याच पॅरंट्सांनी फीज भरलेली आसा 5th स्टँडर्डाची आनी 5th स्टँडर्ड फ्री आसा पण ती दितना आमकां जे रिसिप्ट दितना लिटल लॅम्प स्कुलाची दिता एक्चुअली आमच्या स्कुलाचें नांव रॉयल हाय स्कूल पण दितना आमकां ती लिटल लॅम्प स्कुलाची दिता आनी लिटल लॅम्प स्कूल प्रायवेट आनी रॉयल हे आमचें एडेड स्कूल.
PTA chairman of Royal High School, Intikaf Syed, said that the PTA will have a meeting at the Education Department. He also said that the PI of Panjim Police has passed an order requesting the headmistress of Royal High School, Maria Zita Afonso, not to visit the school premises. PTA of the school has also demanded the suspension of the headmistress from the school.
फाल्यां 4 आमची मिटींग आसा PTA मिटींग अलॉंग विथ द पेरंट्स हातून एड्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंट पंजीम 4 आनी आतां आमी FIR कॉपी कलेक्ट करपाक येयला FIR कॉपी घेतल्या आनी ताच्या बरोबर आमकां हें लेटर दिला इंटिमेशन टू डायरेक्टर ऑफ एड्युकेशन टू स्टॉप प्रिंसिपल एंटरिंग द स्कूल प्रिमायसेस. ही लेटर कोणी गेल्या ही आतां पुलीस TIN केला. ही लेटरचे पळोवंक शकता.
Earlier, the PTA members of Royal High School, led by PTA chairman Intikaf Syed, had filed an FIR against the headmistress Maria Zita Afonso for harassing the students as well as the teachers.
80% parents, we don't want that principal in the school. So if suppose the education department want to send new administrative, then we are ready to.
We are ready to accept.
Yeah, accept her. If suppose education department suppose delaying to send administrative, then we PTA member are ready to handle the school.
With Amar Chavaria, Aftab Sheikh for HCN. Mapsa Municipal Council issued notices to 8 buildings which are in bad condition. Mapsa Municipal Chairperson Sandeep Falari told HCN that the owners of the buildings are issued notices after carrying out a survey of the buildings.
इतले 8 बिल्डिंगांक आमच्यो नोटिसीस गेल्या. नोटिसीसाक तेंचो कांय लोकांनी रिप्लाय केल्लो आसा. रिप्लाय ज्यांच्यांनी दिला तेंचो फर्दर स्टेप म्हणजे तेका पर्सनल हियरिंग दिवपाचो तो प्रोसेस चालू आसा आनी त्या प्रमाणे फुडली कारवाई जी कितें उचीत अशी दिसतली त्या प्रमाणे फर्दर प्रोसेस वील टेक प्लेस. ह्या पैकी कारेकर बिल्डींग जी आसा ती म्हाका दिसता आमी रेफर केला इंजिनियरींग कॉलेज सिवील इंजिनियरींग डिपार्टमेंटान टू एसर्टन द स्ट्रक्चरल स्टेबिलिटी.
प्रकाश गडेकर for HCN.
Now let's take a short break. We'll be back soon. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Contradicting its own mantra about choosing its candidates with clean image for the forthcoming election, former Minister Ravi Naik, who is all set to contest the North Goa seat in spite of pending an official announcement, has been implicated in drug nexus case as well as corruption charges.
Ravi Naik is also expected to be summoned by the anti-corruption branch in connection with a job scam. House panel report also stated that he was actively involved in the drug trade with drug mafia leader and Israeli national Yani Benaim and that he shielded his son. Besides drug issues, an anti-corruption branch of the Vigilance Department have also registered 2 separate FIRs for alleged recruitment scam in the animal husbandry and veterinary services and cooperative societies against him and former department officers. Bureau Report, HCN.
In a daring daylight robbery, 3 bungalows have been robbed at Madel, Thivim. This has been the 9th incident of daylight robbery at Thivim. One of the bungalow owners said that the robbery is a follow-up event and has said that the incident has disturbed the peace of minds of the residents.
Pirsab Kwaza, one of the bungalow owners, said that the police needs to be patrolling and that the culprits need to be caught and punished as several bungalows have been burgled in this colony.
It's a follow-up घटना जाल्ली आसा. आमचे 26 तारखेच्या रात्री जाल्या उपरांत आमकां दिसलेलें की हांगा पुलिसची गस्त वाडटली आनी पीपल वील बी मोर अलर्ट एंड वी वील गेट मोर सिक्युरिटी. पूण इंस्टेड ऑफ आमचो प्रॉब्लम अजून सॉल्व जावंकूच ना वायल दे आर वर्किंग ऑन इट. अनदर नॉट 1 but 4 incidents in a row. One yesterday and three, right?
Three last night.
Tonight. It is disturbing and it has almost taken away the peace of the residents of this colony. I think it's high time that the police do something about it and give the citizens the kind of security that they deserve, because they can look only to the police for the security as their right, and if they don't get it and if things continue like this, I think it's going to be very difficult, not only for this. Today it has happened in this colony, it can happen in any other colony, and continuously happening in multiple bungalows on one night speaks itself of the fearlessness with which these culprits and criminals are moving in the city, and nobody is holding them responsible. So I appeal to the law and order abiding citizens also, and law and abiding forces also, to do their best and let the people live.
President of Fast Colony said that they have already requested the police to do patrolling and give safety and security to the people of this colony. He also said that they will also discuss regarding installation of CCTV cameras.
मला कितें केन्ना तशी चोरी जायनाशिल्लें, काय जायनाशिल्लें, काय जायनाशिल्लें हांगा. आनी आतां पळयलां न्हय पळय, आतां पयले खोजागीर जाली, तेंचे 10 लाख रुपया घेवन गेले, 5 लाख रुपया. आनी आतां पळयलां पळय, आतां काल रात्री 3 चोरी जाले. आनी काल सांजे आमी पोलिसी कडेन गेले की बाबा तुमी पेट्रोलिंग हांगा करिना म्हणून. ते कितें म्हणटा, आमी पेट्रोलिंग करता रातचे, पण आमकां जर दिसना ते करता अशें. पण त्यामुळे हांव तुमकां एक कितें रिक्वेस्ट करता की गव्हर्मेंटाक मातशें एक सांगपाचें की आमचे कॉलनींत चड आतां सिक्युरिटी वाडोवपाची म्हणून. इतलें म्हाजी एक तुमचे कडेन एक मागणी आहा. आनी आमचे हांगा लोक कितें सामके पिसफुली रावतात. आतां हे डिस्टर्बन्स जालें आमकां आतां. हे अशें जावन उपकारना.
8:30 तो घालून पळयला न्हू, म्हाज्या गिटीची जायी तेंची कशी हाडले ते दीस दोन हांवें ते दुर्गा वयल्यान उडकी मारले, आनी हेवटेन लक्ष मार जाल्यार तेंचे एका दाराक लॉक नासले. लॉक ना म्हणटकूच हांवें कितें केलें, तो शॉपवालो आसा ना, ताका वचून सांगलें थंय. तो आनी मागीर आमी येयली, कोकटणकर येयलो, तेंच्यांनी पळोवन मागीर ते आमी दार अशें मातशें ओपन आसलें तें. आमी दार ओपन करून भितर येवन पळयताले, सगळें तेंचे ते सगळें भायर उडयलां काडून.
हो कोण हो पात्रांवाचें नांव कितें?
पात्रांवाचें नांव हे अच्युतम. अच्युतन.
खंयचो तो?
तो केरलाचो. आतां म्हयनो जालो केरला.
तो आतां ना घरान आसलो?
ना, रिटायर जाला ना तो.
आनी खंय आसले ते आतां?
ते हांगाच आसली, म्हणल्यार ते रिटायर जाला म्हणून आतां एका म्हयन्यान ती गांवान गेली आपल्या.
Prakash Gadekar for HCN.
19th Srimati Anjani Mapelkar Samiti Sangeet is underway at Sri Hanuman Natyagraha Mapsa. The first day of the Sangeet was inaugurated by Pandit Dinkar Panchikar in the presence of the Samiti President Anil Salgaonkar.
हा कार्यक्रम आपण बाळावकरांना अर्पण केला आहे. तो एक योग सांग, मी बाळावकरांचा गंगाबंध शिष्य आहे. आणि याच्या आधी शेवट जेव्हा आले होते तेव्हा तिची माझी भेटही झाली होती. नाट्यसंगीत शिकवावं बाळावकरांनी. मी यांचं शिकवून ऐकलेलं अनेक वेळा असतो. आजच्या या समारंभाचा विषय बाळावकर नसून अंजनीबाई त्यांचं गाणं आहे हा. अंजनीबाईंचा काळ 130 वर्षापूर्वी त्यांचा जन्म आहे, लक्षात घ्या. म्हणजे बालगंधर्व समकालीन जवळजवळ. अशा वेळेला स्वतंत्र मैफिलीमध्ये स्वतंत्र व्यक्तिमत्व, लखलखणारा उठून दिसणारा व्यक्तिमत्व म्हणून त्यांचा परिचय होता.
Prakash Gadekar for HCN.
The third festival of Khel Tiyat was organized by the Theatre Academy of Goa, which was held recently at the Open Air Auditorium at Ravindra Bhavan, Margao. 10 groups participated in the 3 days competition, which was witnessed by a large audience.
Khel Tiyat Sangshitu by Jack Rodson was adjudged the best Khel Tiyat at the third Festival of Khels 2014 organized by Theatre Academy of Goa at the Ravindra Bhavan, Margao from 11th to 13th March 2014. Theatrist Jess Fernandes and singer Osvi Vegas were the judges for the competition. Portuguese Passport by Cecil de Benaulim received the second prize, while Corre Cristão by Collie Col de Velim bagged the third. En Casar Kele Kobar Zale by Luis Xavier Mascarenas bagged the consolation prize at the Khel Tiyat 2014. Theatre Academy of Goa President Prince Jacob said traditional Khels were Goan culture and needs to be saved. He said Theatre Academy of Goa will soon organize a workshop for all Khel Tiyat artists.
बेस बरी कातारां करतात आनी हातूंतल्यान कलाकार तयार जातात आनी हेच कलाकार मागीर आमकां माचयेर दिसतात. काल हांगासर कॉम्पिटिशन आमचे भाग घेतला. सगळे मेळून 10 जमनी वेले खेळ हांगा आमकां भाग घेतले. हातूंतले 2 खेळ कायद्या प्रमाणे भायर पडटात. हे भायर पडले कारण तांकां मार्क दिवंक जायना. तांणी ब्लोईंग इन्स्ट्रुमेंट घालूंक ना आनी कायदो सांगता की 2 तरी ब्लोईंग इन्स्ट्रुमेंट आसूंकूच जाय. पूण त्या भुरग्यांक हांवें भायर दवरूंक ना, तांकां परफॉर्म करूंक दिलें कारण त्या भुरग्यांची उमेद आसली ती म्हाका म्हणूंक नाका आसली. इश्टो, ही परंपरा आमची चालू उरोंक जाय. कितलो सोबीत ही कला आर्ट ही आमची. जितले हांगासर भाग घेतल्या तांचे खातीर एक खास वर्कशॉप करून हाडटले आमी आनी तातूंत ताका शिकयतले आदले खेळ कशे करताले त्या प्रमाणे करूंक तजवीज करूया म्हणून मागता. जणी कोणें आयज भाग घेतला तितल्यांनी तुमची नांवां फोन नंबर आमचे लागीं आसा. तुमकां लागून खास वर्कशॉप करूया आनी ही परंपरा चालू दवरुया कारण आमच्या फाटल्यान तुमी येवंक जाय आनी कोंकणी पाक सांबाळूंक जाय.
Theatrist Salvador Afonso and his troupe celebrated the Diamond Jubilee show of his season's Khel Tiyat on Saturday at Gomant Vidyaniketan, Margao. Dignitaries for the Diamond show congratulated Theatrist Salvador Afonso for their achievement. They included Theatrist C. De Silva, Theatrist Cyril Andrade, teacher Bara Lucapure, and social activist Peter Figueiredo and George Barreto.
देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. हो म्हजो ल्हानसो वावर तुम्ही पळोवंक आयलेले ह्या खातीर. सांगपाचें म्हळ्यार हे जावन आसा म्हजें 33 वर्स 3 वर्सां भोंवतात हांव खेळ बरोवंक लागल्यार. जेन्ना हांव मायणा कुडतरीच्या सेंट रिटा हायस्कुलांत शिकतना जेन्ना 8वीच्या वर्गांत आसलो आनी जेन्ना हांवें बरोवपाक सुरवात केली आनी गोंयचे आकाशवाणी वेल्यान आडवो आनी विडवो ह्या नांवाखाल लोकांक काणी हांवें सादर केली तेन्ना म्हाका खूब उमेद जाली बरोवंक.
आमचे गोंयांत 2 जाण कोंकणी भास सांबाळटात. एक जावन आहा हे यात्रिस्ट भाव आनी दुसरे जावन आहा आमचे पाद्री भाव. आमचे गोंयांत तुमी जाणा आतां जायते घडटा आमचे कोंकणी भाशे लागून. देखून हांव मागता तुमचे ताई तसोच आमचे ताई आमी मागता कित्याक आमी एक आदार दिवचो तुमी चोवपा येवपाचे आनी आमी तियात्र बरोवपाचो. आमचो कोंकणी भास ही आमी वयर दवरचे म्हूण हांव काळजांतल्यान तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं.
बावा एंगो सोडून वेताय काळी मोचे रोले सदा सागताना मी आमचे जिवीत सांगलेली. बावा तुम्ही वचो नाका सदाचे गाणं सदां आमी सांगात रावया. हे सगळे कितें दुनिया हांवच नको. हे सगळे आमच्या घराब्यान घडटा आनी कितें घडपाचें आसा पळय तें हांवच नको.
Guilherme Almeida, Santosh Mirajkar and Savio Diaz for ECN.
And before we wind up, here's a look at the headlines once again. Parents of students who had appeared for the 12th standard examination across Goa has demanded Goa board to be lenient with the correction of 12th standard maths paper, as they allege that paper was too lengthy and difficulty level was high. Mapsa Municipal Council issued notices to 8 buildings which are in bad condition after carrying out the survey. PI of Panjim Police passed an order requesting headmistress of Royal High School Maria Zita Afonso not to visit school premises for any office work. In today's video of the day section, we show you the glimpses of women enthusiasts for a drive along Goa's scenic coastal belt. That's all from our side. Stay tuned to HCN. Take care and goodbye.